pandemic, isikat yun ang TikTok. Kay buburo mo kayang TikTok, tag 15 seconds and 20 seconds. We're gonna play tulo ka TikTok songs for this one round. Okay? So if you know the steppings, go for it. If not, again, pwede ang freestyle. Ready? Ang pinaka-nindot ng sayaw, mo'y makabalik silang bago. Facial corners, get ready. Let's do the TikTok songs, please!